Hey ma'am, and welcome back to my channel. Here's a beginner-friendly makeup tutorial for the girlies who don't want to look like they're wearing too much makeup. As always, wash, tone, and moisturize your face with your favorite products. A good skincare routine is literally the best foundation for a flawless makeup application. This is my favorite matte primer, and I'm using a foundation brush to apply it all over. While that sets, I'm applying my favorite eye primer with a flat, round concealer brush. Now let's cover up these dark circles with a little color correction, neutralization, and concealer. I love how this brush is the perfect shape, size, and firmness to blend out any cream-based products. I'm applying some setting powder underneath my eye with a fluffy dome brush in order to reduce the shine and promote the longevity of my makeup. The summer is over, so I'm back to my lighter shade of foundation, and I'm applying it with the same flat brush I used to apply my primer. I really want to have an airbrushed finish, so I went over it with the moist sponge to melt it into my skin and ensure an even distribution. I love how easy it is to blend my makeup with the brushes, but using a sponge eliminates the chances of leaving any streaks and uneven distribution. Now let's contour this abundant forehead God gave me and chisel these chubby cheeks. I used the wrong shade to contour my nose. I usually go lighter and warmer, but we're here now. I'm blending that contour out with that same sponge, and I'm going to snatch this nose. Now I'm setting my foundation and contour with some pressed powder in the same shade as my foundation. I'm applying my foundation on my eyelid because I want to look like I barely have anything on my face, so I'm not using any eyeshadow. I don't want to look like a ghost, so I'm applying some bronzer on my eyelids to add some definition. Highlighting the tip of my nose and chin, I'm applying that same bronzer to my lower lash line. Mascara because why not? This is my favorite lip liner and lipstick combination this season. Brush on the blush to warm up my chubby cheeks. I took my contacts out because I got makeup on them. Do you put your contact lenses in before or after you apply your makeup? Because baby, I was struggling. I'm applying the lash glue to my lash line and false lashes because it's a life-changing hack. And because we don't gatekeep over here, I'm sharing it with you in detail in the link I added below in the description box. The last step is to apply your setting spray and be on your way. Thank you for watching. I love you to life, and I'll see you in the next one.